So it is January 17th of 2019, WIKISPEED Standup. So, Lauren, you'll want to start us off?
Yeah. Okay. Well, I got my I finished the long Python course. Got my certificate, and so that's a unplanned kind of thing I did. Nothing else that I can think. Oh yes, no, I did read and interact a little bit about the LRW, and I went to the LRW meeting Saturday. So that's what I did last week. I hope to get to the reporting, the IRS reporting, because now we're into the next year. And so there'll be one due a little later this year. So I better catch that one up. It was a very short, it's only to cover a small period in 2007. Or, 2017. And blocks are, same as before, but probably cut by a third. And that's it for me.
Okay, thanks, Lauren. I did a little bit of work on the Polaris this week. Got some wiring done, mounted a winch and stuff. Also got the meeting minutes written up for the Little Red Wagon and posted a little bit of a scope. And we've been emailing back and forth about the initial design and what to use and that kind of thing. Next week, I'm hoping to continue that. I'm still hoping to get my trailer wired, and I should be able to get a little bit more work done on the Polaris. And that, looks like we lost. What happened? Oh, there we go.
Maybe you reversed cameras?
Wait a second. Sort of sounds like my mute's gone on my laptop. No? That looks normal. Okay. Anyway, so next week, not a whole lot going on. I should get more done on the Polaris, and hopefully I get more done on the design for the Little Red Wagon. No blocks, and I guess you're up again.
Okay. So I'll give myself a warm. And the team, you're raising it up, so it's 8.5 or 8.
Okay, and I'm gonna. Sorry, I didn't realize you weren't done.
Process improvement. Yeah, I know what I'd like to see. XP. I'd like to see more people, and when we get more people, more redundancy, so that more than one person is doing things. I think that may be a solution for our kind of organization. Do a little less and have a backup, have like a very tight cooperation between two people, such that one can drop out of a meeting and the second one jump on and carry on the conversation.
That would be great. I'm not sure how exactly to do that, but
yeah, it's the only solution in a sense that I see for people like us, and yeah. So anyway, that's my process improvement.
Okay.
To you.
Okay. I guess I am going to give myself a 10 because I did more than I thought I would. And I'm going to go with 7 for the team because we do have, there still is only the 2 of us, but we got some email going back and forth on the Little Red Wagon, which was kind of the idea of starting the project. So that's good.
Yeah.
I don't have a problem. I it would be great if we could get more people involved and get more redundancy. Not really sure how to synchronize via remote, but I think a wiki would really help to start, give somewhere for people to start looking.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, I introduced, I think, a wiki to a software or data development team in San Francisco. And it was like really instant kind of benefit.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm going to keep trying on TWiki. I still haven't gotten a hold of anybody, but I guess that takes us to Crosstalk.
Yeah, I'm just going to riff a little bit that on this Python thing. So it's fresh in my mind, and I want to. I've got a game. I designed a game, and I've got a kid's book on how to design games. One of my issues is it's hard for me to sit or stand in front of the computer. I have to be sitting with my wife a lot. So that's how I did the course. I used the tablet. The course is an Android. It's an app, but it was really online all the time and social. And so I got one app that purports to be a pretty complete Python contained right on the Android. I'm having a little bit of trouble with that, and in a sense, I would rather have some kind of a terminal or client for my Linux box, but I haven't sorted that out either. But anyways, so that's maybe I'm kind of shouting that out. I wanna sit with my tablet and do a Python project.
Okay. Do you know of an Arduino, or does Arduino do Python? Yeah, I kind of lost you.
Yeah. Just I was just checking. We're in a hotel in Nanaimo because we had a doctor's appointment, and I didn't want to wait for the ferry on the way back.
Okay.
Arduino. So there's been, the microcontrollers have their own kind of languages, Arduino, but there's been a lot of pressure to create Python versions of all the microcontrollers. So I think there is, because Python's so popular. I know Raspberry Pi does Python very well.
Well, and that's why I kind of suggested using a Raspberry Pi for the master, and then Arduinos for the slaves. It's because you can do everything in Python, and you don't really have to worry about portability.
I wouldn't mind doing a little research on that Arduino Pi. If Arduino Pi exists, or Pi Arduino. I don't know if there's Pi. Raspberry Pi already came with Python, but it's a different Pi.
I think I have a Raspberry Pi kicking around here somewhere, but I think I've only got one USB port, so I'm not sure if I can do what I want to do.
Right.
We'll see.
They've changed a lot from the earliest versions, is what I heard.
By the sounds of it, the latest version of Raspbian runs on everything.
Cool.
Okay. So I guess the only other thing I want to bring up is if we can try and do a tax receipt, because we can get another 120 bucks or so if I can get my workplace to match the donation. So.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So do you want then I think you just need the number, the exempt number.
From what I have seen, I need the exempt number, and I need a receipt from you that says I gave you money.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Right. Yeah. Okay. So, but you wanted some automated thing, right?
I'm not really all that picky whether it's automated or not. I thought it was an opportunity to do automated, but
Yeah.
if you don't want to do it manually, that's fine.
So, you know what? Okay, well, that's a good project, and simultaneous with that, I got to do the reporting and
So what I'll do is I'll forward you the receipt I get every month from PayPal,
okay.
and that should help you. I don't know whether you have to actually look in the records to find transaction numbers or what exactly.
No, I don't know either. I mean, they're pretty encouraging. I mean, they say even before they give it to you, you can give them out or something.
Okay, well,
So they
you can give me if you can give me a receipt, I can give it a try, and if they come back and say no, I need something else, I can get back to you.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I did look up at what are the elements of the receipt, and I know it's the exempt number is one, and actually I think it's an employee. No, I got to look that up, but you know, it's the date.
Okay.
It's pretty simple. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
So
if
yeah,
you
if you want
can,
to send.
I will forward that to you hopefully tonight.
Okay. All right. I'll try and get it back by next Thursday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you would like to talk about?
Not really. No, I don't think so. I mean, there is, but I'm tired.
Okay, well.
I think that was good.
Okay, so if you're okay, then I will just pause the recording, and are we done?
Yes.
Okay.